Morning to everyone. Today we will have the revision of exercise 9.2 question number 4. Okay, so dear student, in the previous video we had did 9.2 question 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So here we have to see the question 4. So what is said in the question number 4? Let's see. Here in the question number 4 it is said that find the value of. So the numbers are being given over here. So the numbers are first question. Here it is said, since it is said that find the value of which number, that is minus 4 divided 2 by 3. Okay. Now listen it very carefully. Whenever a divide sign is given in the question between the two numbers, and if we want to change that divide sign into a multiplication sign. So in order to change that divide sign into a multiplication sign, what is required? The right hand side of the number, that what is the number in the right hand side, that is 2 by 3, that number will be reciprocate. Clear? So that number will be reciprocated or reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of x? 1 by x. What is the reciprocal of 2? That is 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of minus 3? That is minus 1 by 3. So in this way we have to solve. Okay. So minus 4 divided 2 by 3 we are having, isn't it? So if we want to change this minus sign, divide sign into a multiplication sign, we have to reciprocate the right hand side 2 by 3. The fraction will be reciprocated. So if we are going to reciprocate the number, the numerator will be goes to denominator and denominator goes to the numerator, isn't it? It will be interchange their position. So interchange from the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator when it gets reciprocated, remember. Okay, so 3 by 2. When we are reciprocated, automatically the divide sign will be changes to the to what? To multiplication sign. Clear everyone? So the number will be get reciprocated. Try to reciprocate the right hand side. Okay, don't reciprocate the left hand side. You can reciprocate the left hand side also, but it will be more convenient if you are going to reciprocate the right hand side of the number. So here we are having the numbers, reciprocated the numbers. Why we had reciprocated? Because a divide sign is present between the two numbers. So in order to change the divide sign into multiplication sign, we have reciprocated the numbers, that is 2 by 3 will be reciprocated as 3 by 2. Now 4 and 2 will be get cancelled by the table of 2 itself. Now minus 2 upon 1 into 3 upon 1 will be multiplied and we will get minus 6 upon 1, that will be minus 6 is the answer for this. Clear? Now again the next question we are having minus 3 by 5 divided 2. As I told you, to reciprocate which side? Right hand side. So which one is the right hand side answer? That is 2, isn't it? So it will be reciprocated. So 2 is, that means nothing is present in the denominator of 2. That means what is there? That is 2 by 1 will be present. When it will be reciprocated, 1 will be goes in the numerator and 2 will be comes in the denominator. So what will be the reciprocal of the number will be 1 by 2. Have you understood? Now when it get multiplied, minus 3 into 1, it will be 3 itself. 5 into 2 will be 10. So what is the answer will be? Minus 3 by 10 is the answer. Clear everyone? In the same way, let's see the third part. Minus 4 by 5 we are having divided minus 3 we are having, isn't it? So here nothing is present in the denominator, that means 1 will be there. Now change the sign. Okay, in order to change divide into multiplication, so the reciprocal will be done. Okay, so minus 3 upon 1 will be reciprocated as minus 1 upon 3. Clear? So minus 4 into minus 1 will be plus 4. 5 into 3 will be 15. So what is the answer? That is 4 upon 15 is the answer. Clear? So next part, what we are having? Next one is minus 1 by 8 divided 3 by 4. So minus 1 by 8 into 4 by 3. Can we do like that? The number 3 by 4 is reciprocated. Okay, now it can be changed as 8 comes in the table of 4 how many times? 2 times, and 4 comes in table of 4 1 time. So minus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1 itself, isn't it? And here 2 into 3 will be 6. So what will be the answer is minus 1 by 6 is the answer. So in this way students, you have to solve each and every question. One more question I would like to tell you, that is the last part of this chapter, that is minus 13 divided minus 4 upon 65 is the number. So 3 upon 13 we are having into 63 upon 4. Okay, now here we got the numbers. When we are going to cancel it, multiply the number 3, 3's will be how much? 3 3's will be 9, isn't it? So multiply that number. Here it is 65, not 33. So 3 5's will be 15, 3 6 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 upon 13 4's is 52. Okay, minus 52. When it get cancelled by the table of 13, so what will be the answer is minus 15 upon 4 is the answer. So have you understood this? So dear student, it is a simplifications of the numbers. Try to solve with your own. It's a easy. Next day we will have the revision of a new chapter.